Now we are going to start fourth point, that is rebuilding a world economy, the post-war era. Third point, we have seen the just after First World War, or in the time of First World War, what happened. Then in that this first point, it is post war settlement and the Bretton Woods institutions. That is the first point what we want to study. Then next one, the early post-war years. After war, what happened. Then decolonization and independence. After the Second World War, what happened, that we means the starting of Second World War, and afterwards what happened. Then end of the Bretton Woods and the beginning of the globalization. Then we are stopping the Bretton Woods work and means the policy, then starting the globalization. That is the last point of the lesson. Like that we are becoming a globe, means altogether one village or one country, like that we can see. And this point we are going to study the Second World War, and after the Second World War what happened, that we are going to see. And we, UN, like that agencies we want to study. Then we can see the powers of the Second World War, two powers of Second World War, and like that things, and related some extra points also we want to discuss in this coming part. Okay, so just we will go through the introduction. The Second World War broke out a mere 2 decades after the end of the First World War. After 20 years, the 20 years of First World War, we are starting the Second World War. It was fought between the Axis powers, mainly Nazi Germany, Japan and Italy. Which country is coming in Axis power? Nazi Germany, Japan and Italy. And the allies, that is Britain, France, Soviet Union and USA. Four major countries in Axis power, that is Britain, allies power, Britain, France, Soviet Union and US. It was a war waged for 6 years on many fronts in many places, over land, on sea and in the air. In Second World War, what was the specialty of Second World War? It was continuously for 6 years. That is first thing. Second thing, there was fighting everywhere, and even in the water, means in the ships they was taking away. Then even in the land and in air they was fighting each other, both groups, allies as well as Axis power. So we'll stop here and we will continue next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.